Yeah, good evening. This is Manpreet from Career Talks, and I'm again live to answer your all queries regarding German studies, German job, German PR, whatever you want to know. Please write down your queries in a comment box so that I can answer your all queries. I'm getting a lots of queries on my Instagram Messenger, so that's why I'm live here to answer your all queries. Write down your queries, please. Hello, everyone. Hi, dear. Please write down your queries in a comment box. So dear, very good evening. Hi Rohit, good evening dear. Hi Tiwari ji, good evening. Please everyone write down your queries in a comment box. Good evening dear. Hello dear. Write down your queries. I'm waiting for your queries. Why students fail number of time in bachelors of Germany? Okay. Yeah, you are true. Students, number of times students fail in Germany. The reason of that, they start focusing on the part-time jobs. They start focusing on the earning, on the options how to earn money. So that's why their focus, according to that, they are getting like backlogs in their exams. That's why they also see the option to continue their bachelor's long time, so to extend their visa. That's why they choose the option of this backlogs. They start focusing on earning money. That's why they get the backlog. This is the only reason you have failed in Germany in your bachelor's, nothing else. Otherwise, German studies are too good. Great going. Thank you. Good evening. Hello, dear. Please write down your queries in a comment box. Part-time work allowed in student click? Yeah, of course allowed. If you are going to search anywhere, then everywhere you get the option that after entering in universities you get the option for part-time jobs. But yes, when you are starting language classes and when you are doing student colleague, then with the help of other students you get the links of doing part-time jobs there. So no need to be worried, Rohit. After reaching Germany, the country itself help you to sponsor you or to refill your pockets. There are lots of options, millions of options to refill your pockets after reaching there. Can I get job in Germany with Indian experience? Yeah, of course. Germany welcomes skills more than degrees. So when you apply in any universities or when you're going to apply in any companies after completing degree, they also check your degree, their university, and also check your experience. They calculate your theoretical and practical hours both. On the analyzation of that, you get the job. So your experience also help you to get a job in Germany. Your Indian experience also helps. Is B2 level compulsory for Ausbildung? Yeah, of course, dear. B2 level is mandatory for Ausbildung program. B1, B1, even for Ausbildung program, B1 is mandatory to complete from a home country. But for other job options, you have option to study B1 here and do B2 from Germany. But yes, for Ausbildung vocational training, B2 is mandatory to complete from a home country. Ma'am, can we do B1 from Germany? Yes, you can do B1. If you are planning to go on a student visa, then yes, you can easily do B1 from B2 and C1 from Germany. But if you are going for a work and for like a vocational training, then it's mandatory to complete B1 from a home country. Working hours for nursing. Working hours like okay, same shift like in India, 6 to 8 hours. Like you are, and there are different shifts like day shift or night shift, same like in India. And also, but yeah, there's a not like in India, Saturday Sunday is off in Germany. And also if you're doing night shift, you get a good salary. If you are doing job on a Sunday, you are in good salary, you are getting good salary. And yes, like in December, Christmas holidays in Germany, if you are doing work in that holidays, you get a good percentage of your salary. Write down more queries, please. I'm live only for 5 minutes. What Germany company demands German taught or English taught? German companies demand your knowledge, your confidence, your skills. Either you study from an English taught, you get a good job in German market, but yes, also they want a German language. And if you are studying German taught, okay, then German market is too good for you. But for English taught, also German market is too good. But yes, while doing studies in English programs, but focus on a German language also. Then there are a lot of options in the German market. So there is no need to be worried you are studying from English taught or German taught, you get a job easily or not. You get job market in both options. Either you study in English taught or you study in German taught. No need to be worried. But focus on a German language, yes. Please share procedure for Ausbildung. Ausbildung, the requirements are your plus 2 completion, and also the requirement is the German language up to B2 level is mandatory. So first complete your 12th and also start your language German language when you start your 12th. So when you complete your 12th, you complete your German language up to B2. So after completion of 12th and B2, you start your process for Ausbildung. If I am getting good salary in India, is it good to choose Germany? Yeah, of course, why not? Abroad cities give you a good options. After reaching Germany, when you get the PR, your future is too good. Your kids get the free education from nursery to till PhD. And also PR country gives you lots of opportunities and also good options for you in while doing job in a companies. Either India is giving a good salary, but Germany gives you lots of options. I'm not saying that okay, leave our country, but yes, if you want that, okay, you want to leave your relatives here and you want to move and you are planning for abroad, then you can easily choose the option. No need to be worried like that. It depends on you, what you want. I guess all done. If anyone having query, then please write down fast. I'm live only for 1 minute. What is the better option from Ausbildung or BSc nursing? Dear, if you done GNM here, then you can go for a direct nursing jobs. If you done BSc nursing here, then you get a direct job options for Germany. If you done only 12, then choose Ausbildung program. Benefit of doing Ausbildung is like while doing Ausbildung, you get a good internship kind, you get a good stipend there. You can call it a paid internship or vocational training. So when you're doing, when you're planning to do Ausbildung from Germany, then monthly you're starting getting a stipend around 80,000 or 90,000 monthly. Year by year it increased, and after 3 years, it's a 3 years duration course, and after 3 years you are eligible for the government job, like same as you are eligible after doing BSc nursing. Only the benefit is that if you choose Ausbildung, you get a stipend. That means you are start earning while doing BSc nursing also. If you plan to do this BSc nursing from Germany, like Ausbildung program, not exactly BSc nursing. Any more queries? Okay, then if you have more queries, then tomorrow again I'm live same time, and you can also join our Zoom session at 5 p.m. and Insta live at 5:30 p.m.